Hey everyone, welcome back to Pond IoT's Tech and Trends Roundup, where we break down the latest in connected tech, AI, and automation. If you work in IoT or just like keeping up with what's next, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Now, let's start in China, where Baidu's Apollo Go Robotaxis are officially joining the Uber platform. That means thousands of fully driverless cars, no safety driver on board, will be available for ride-hailing in cities. It's the first time Uber-style service is being offered at this scale with completely autonomous vehicles. A pretty big step for commercial AV deployments. Next up, Rivian drivers are getting a new navigation experience powered by Google's updated Android Auto SDK. It's a more seamless integration of Google Maps tailored specifically for Rivian's electric vehicles. This upgrade includes better support for EV-specific features like charging locations, route optimization, and vehicle data integration, all right from the in-dash system. Drone deliveries just took a major leap forward in the US. The FAA has approved drone flights beyond the visual line of sight nationwide. That's huge. It means drone operators no longer need a waiver to fly long-distance routes, opening the door for more scalable commercial delivery networks. From medical supplies to retail, this move could transform last-mile logistics. In aviation news, an air taxi just completed its first airport-to-airport flight in Japan. The aircraft, developed by SkyDrive, flew from Osaka International to a nearby general aviation airfield, showing how short-hop regional flights could work in the future. It's another real-world test that moves air taxis closer to becoming part of everyday urban travel. And finally, Hyundai is taking a bold step in automation by signing a deal to bring humanoid welding robots into its shipyards. Developed by Sanctuary AI, these robots can perform high-skill, dangerous tasks like welding in confined spaces. It's a big move for robotics in heavy industry, and a sign that collaborative humanoids are expanding beyond factories into more specialized environments. If you're enjoying these quick news rundowns, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite story from this week. And if your business depends on connected devices, don't forget to check out our site. Whether it's multi-carrier SIMs or failover protection, we've got solutions built for the future of IoT. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Pond IoT's Tech and Trends Roundup.